Okay, my name is Wallace Sears. I had roof fixed to do my roof. They did an excellent job. I had the roof fixed and my solars taken off and the solars put back on. And I had my roof in the restroom, my ceiling in the restroom and ceiling in one of my bedrooms. I had them repaired and roof fixed. Did an excellent job on fixing them. No more leaks, and I'm quite satisfied with it. And like I say, they roof fix took care of the business like they were supposed to. And I would highly recommend them to anyone about doing the job for them, or doing their roof or whatever, any kind of restoration for their home. And I'd like to thank Armando and the team that come out to help me out. They were very helpful, and I would recommend them as far as the help for you, because anything as far as the financing or whatever needed, they're there for you at all times. They walk you through the whole process and stay right there with you. All right. Like I say, I had another another solar company to come in, and they wasn't giving me my payback for the solar, and roof fix come in and do my solar, took it off, put it back on, and now I'm with another replicable company, and the other company has gone out of business. So I'm pretty well satisfied with them.